Hey guys, Cian here from Nexusx. So today we're going to run over what it takes for your NFT project to sell out and what we look for when it comes to our clients. So basically, we need to find out what makes your project unique, what makes it stand out, how will it actually improve investors' lives, and why would they want to invest in your project. So then your team, we need to look at your team's background. What previous ventures have they undertaken? Do you have a wide network of people in the space that we could potentially tap into for influencers and partnerships? Then marketing. This is where we come in. Today, investors in the market do a lot of due diligence. There's a whole number of things that it takes to build trust with them. So it can be your website, your social media channels, your Discord, how you speak in the Discord, etc. So a fundamentally strong marketing strategy covers a lot of these issues. This is really where we come in. Our job is to basically utilize your marketing budget across paid media channels to get you the highest ROI on your investment. We never advise you spend on any form of NFT marketing that isn't data-driven and trackable. What we like to do is find out what works, double down on it, and that's how we set out projects. So these are the things that we always like clients to answer us before we jump on a call with them. That way things are clear. Then what we actually do in our strategy is in this document as well, which will be in the bottom link of the video. So what we focus on is market and competitor research. So basically we look at who your competitors are in the space, review what they've done well, what they could have done better, and we build on that. User journey review. So basically we use a marketing funnel that brings people from the top to the bottom, and it educates users on why they would want to buy your project and invest. Messaging and brand alignment is huge. We have a team of in-house copywriters which can help with this to get your messaging clear, transparent, and out to your investors. Then our strategy itself is basically spreading half of your budget on Twitter ads and the rest on Discord growth, YouTube ads, partnerships, email marketing, community building, and Facebook and Instagram advertising. We also have a lot more tricks hidden up our sleeves that we do at projects as well. So obviously we've just named out a lot of platforms. It takes a lot of work to maintain these. So we have a team that can work around the clock for hourly maintenance of campaigns to make sure everything is absolutely optimized to its fullest potential. An editable framework and budget. So basically, we're quite flexible in the time frames, etc., that we can work in. Some clients will come to us with 2 weeks until they need to mint out. Some will come 12 weeks before, which is obviously more ideal. Then along the way, over the last year and a half, we've came across a lot of tools and systems that can help. And we also have a lot of templates that can help your success. So when you work with us, you get access to all of our assets as well. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope it was informative, and have an amazing day.